Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction, loaded with features. Features also include rear view camera, third row seating, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2014 Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with a towing prep package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, cruise control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.